A few people asked me about the junk journal that I made a few weeks ago, and I have almost finished it, so I thought I would do a little flip through for you. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kate Field and I release art tutorials every Monday and Friday. I hope you enjoy this little one. It's a little taster. This type of journal is really easy to make. It's just a lot of papers, just old junk joined together. And I put a lot of backgrounds in first, and then over the last few weeks I've been putting in some collage, flowers, sort of still life type ideas. I've still got lots of spaces for my writing, but we come to the end of this side, it flips over and we've got another lot of pages. So it's a concertina style. If you'd like to learn how to make it, the link is below. It's all ready. I've got one last page to finish.